Hello guys, welcome back to a PenTesting Club. Today we're going to discuss about new tutorial name called Map Explorer. So what is this Map Explorer? So allow for exporting the information downloaded with the SQLMap to a relational database like a PostgreSQL and otherwise SQLite. So Map Explorer is a modular application that imports the data extracted from the SQL map. So once you have done the SQL map injection attack, so that will be store one of the data in one particular storage. Okay, then you can need to look everything a single and a type of things. So you can utilize this Map Explorer and you can look all those things here. So what are the main features we can get here? So the main features we can get here like import of information of extracted from the SQL map or PostgreSQL, otherwise SQLite for subsequent query, and sanitize information, which means that at the time of import, it decodes for a transforms like unreadable information into a readable information. Like once you have hacked a certain type of databases, so that may be a come and stored in one of the Linux Kali Linux place with the .sql uh, session, so that you can't able to read the data, otherwise write the data. So this tool will help you to read the data. That's it. And search for information in all tables, such like usernames, passwords, user IDs, desired of your own desired informations. Then automatic export of information stored in base64, such as like Word, Excel, PowerPoint files, zip files, and TXT files, or plain text information, and images, PDFs, or etc. things. So in some type of you can see like Telegram channels, otherwise web channels, they leak the database and they can post you everything here in like somewhat tar browsers, somewhat like what is this lockbit ransomware groups or this type of people. They just store in accordingly like this one. That's it. And filter tables and columns by criteria, filter by different types of hash functions without requiring a period conversion. Export a relevant information to Excel or HTML also. Now we would like to look this. So just open the terminal, you just type here as git clone and paste the repository Map Explorer. So once it's closed, we would like to go to as Map Explore plus first we would like to install this pip3 install -r requirements.txt. So first we would like to install the requirements. So installation is done here. Now just type here. Now just type list. So just type here as Python 3. Now I would like to run this engine.python. Let's see here. Yes. Now we got here as Map Explorer. Now just type here as help. We need to import our like a config, otherwise SQL map, otherwise something else, so we can import here. So we just type here as a clean, so it's not going, so I just quit here -l. We would like to look here. So I would like to get the config. So as of security of YouTube terms and condition, I'm not showing you here or importing any type of configs. So I would like to go for engine.python. So you just type here as help. You can help here, clean, zero results were clean. So that you can search all those things. So you can type here as such as PDF. There is nothing else. You need to set a database name options there. So fail, no such file or directory where run PostgreSQL. So you need to set up the database first here. So I would like to tell you here. In the uses, it's a modular applications and consists of the following like a config. So it's a responsible for configuration such as a database engine to use or import a paths among others. And import, it's a responsible for importing and processing the information and extracted from SQLMap. Now, query. It is the main module capable of filtering and extracting the required information. Filter by tables, filter by columns, and filter by one or more words, filter by one or more hashes, functions like MD5, SHA1, everything you can get it. So once you have imported all the database here, that's it. So you can also do this tool will help you for allow for loading a default configuration at the start of the program also. So you can load a config otherwise as JSON file. That's better. That's it. So we would like to I just put here. Now we would like to look here as database connected.python. So just copy. So just type here a Python 3. We would like to look this database connected.python. That's it here, nothing else. So we would like to look here as just type cat here. So this is connection through a PostgreSQL and SQL to import for Map Explorer connection. That's it. So that you need to specify the username and password and the host. That's it. So that's it. So try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.